Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to this part 4 now for this FTMO verification. So I'm not quite sure how many parts it's going to be. Obviously part 4 already, and I'm still at break even pretty much. I'm down 300, so just under 0.5%. So last 2 or 3 weeks for me really have been really slow trading. Took one trade last week. Yeah, the weeks before that have been pretty slow as well, to be honest. So I'm hoping to get a couple trades this week at least really, but obviously if the trades aren't there, then they're not there, you can't do nothing about it. But yeah guys, we're on to part 4 already. Hopefully it's not many more parts, but obviously can't really do much about it. This is what trading's all about. You never know what's going to happen really. You just got to stick to your rules, stick to your risk management, and let the trades come to you really. So I'll just show you the FTMO guys. You can see been in drawdown a bit the last few weeks or so, and sitting at minus 368. So yeah, I'm hoping to get back into profit, but obviously if the trades aren't there, then I can't really do much about it. So yeah, what I'm going to do guys, just leave my pendants on and I'll update when we get a trade. So got about 9-10 pendants set, and the closest one being about 30 pips away. So I should get a trade hopefully this week, but I'm not going to rush anything. Just going to sit on my hands still and wait for any of my pendants to get set, and I will update then. Alright guys, so it's about 3-4 hours later. Just been triggered into a euro pound short trade, as you can see on my phone there. So let me just quickly run over it guys. Drop down to the daily. So put in a fib from this high to this low. You can see we've also got the round number 0.85. Nice key level here going through. So I've got triggered in at 95, so 5 pips before the round number. If you go onto the monthly time frame as well, you can see we've got the 100 EMA here, just above. So about 10 pips above my entry. So I'm running a 30 pip stop loss on this. You can see there's a nice good key level here. So a couple confluences there guys, the 38 fib, the key level, the round number, and obviously the 100 EMA as well on the monthly time frame. So entry is at 95. 30 pip stop loss. Be targeting this for a TP1. Well, TP1 would be 30 pips, and then TP2 this low here. But other than that, we got a pound Swiss that's getting pretty close as well. It's a 50 fib round number third touch trend line. So you can see the trend line here, 0.1, 0.2, looking for the third touch. And starting a fib from this here, this low here, up to this high, you've got the 50%. And if you have a look on the right as well, it's the round number, 1.24. So yeah, really good confluences on the weekly time frame. Got 3 confluences, third touch trend line, key level, round number, 50% fib as well. And I'm also interested in the 61.8 down here, which is a really strong key level if we get down there, as you can see. So yeah, that'll be my next buy if we break through this trend line. But yeah, other than that guys, let's just see what happens. The spread's going to be increasing at 9. Obviously the clocks went back an hour in the UK, so I've got to be careful of that, take my stop loss off before 9. But yeah, let's see if we can get triggered into this trade before that, and let's see what happens with this one. Yo, what's up guys? So Tuesday, 4 o'clock, still in this euro pound trade. It's not really done much to be honest. I'm down about 11 or 12 pips or so. And this pound Swiss trade come literally like 1 pip away, as you can see here, and now would have TP'd, so missed that one and cancelled, so a bit unfortunate there really. So the euro pound still in at the moment, it's just retesting this trend line, which comes all the way back here. So there's 0.1, 0.2, now we're retesting it. So yeah, waiting for something to happen on this euro pound. Got a couple pendants now that are pretty close. New Zealand dollar Swiss, which is this third touch trend line. We've also got a 38 fib from this low to this high, and a 61 fib from this low to this high as well. And obviously the 200 SMA on the weekly, on the daily, sorry. And we've got the 200 SMA, 200 EMA on the weekly time frame as well, as you can see here. So really good confluences there. Entries at 0.6490, so 4 pips away from getting triggered into this. And the other close one, which is about 18 pips away, is Australian dollar USD. So 38 fib from this low to this high. We've also got the round number 0.74 and 100 EMA. You can see there, good key level. If I just put this in, it's a nice rejection there. So really good confidences in that area as well. About 18 pips away from that one. So yeah, I've got two pendants that are really close to getting triggered, and still in this euro pound one, which is now down 12-13 pips or so. So yeah, just gonna wait guys and see what happens, and I'll update when something happens. Yo, what's up guys? So a little update, it's 12:30 on Wednesday now. Got a few things to update, so excuse the dressing gown, it's got absolutely freezing in the UK. But yeah, looking at this Australian dollar, US dollar, this trade's missed now. Come about 8 pips away, and then it moved off like 30, so cancelled that. So euro pound was still in, it's been literally in drawdown like 2 days I think, Monday, Tuesday, and it's starting to move now. So as I said, Monday, Tuesday normally move the same way. As you can see here, Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday a little reversal or a pullback, which is what we're getting now. So another couple of things that happened, New Zealand dollar Swiss, I think I broke this down yesterday, ended up getting triggered into this, and TP1's been hit on this, 30 pips, I had 30 pip stop loss, and I've got a little bit running still. And I also took this trade here, TP'd full at 30 pips because I had 2 New Zealand dollar trades on, and I don't want to risk too much really. So a nice sniper entry here, and on this one as well. So let me just show you on my phone a second. So yeah, this is the account so far. That New Zealand dollar CAD trade, full 30 pips there. Obviously I wasn't risking that much, so I only made like 500 off that. There's the partials on New Zealand dollar Swiss, and I've still got some running, 1.3 lots there. And a euro pound trade. No partials so far, just looking for like 30 pips and then let the rest run on that as well. But Australian dollar Swiss is another close pending, which is a 61 fib from this move, and also if you take this move as well as a 38 fib, so a double fib there, pretty good key level as well. But yeah, let me just run over the FTMO sec. So sitting at 1300 profit so far, got a couple trades running still, hopefully we can get up to like 2-3k, but yeah, let's see what happens. I'll update when something happens. Yo, what's up guys? So it's the next day now, Thursday, nearly 2 o'clock. So a few things happened overnight. Ended up missing this GA trade, literally come about 10 pips away. So another missed trade this week, unfortunately. It's dropped off a nice over 150 pips. Another couple things, this Australian dollar, US dollar, ended up cancelling my pending because it's just like fluctuating between, as you can see here, but then it ended up hitting here and it done over 50 pips. So that's 2 missed trades. One trade I did end up getting triggered into not so long ago was GU, which actually stopped out unfortunately. It was a third touch trend line, 61 fib with a key level. But yeah, stopped out on that one. Had about 3 or 4 missed trades this week unfortunately. So I'll just show the FTMO again. So back down to just 500 up guys. If I didn't miss those 3 or 4 trades this week, probably would have passed to be honest, because I was up like 2% at one point. But I can't really think of it like that, you know. But yeah guys, 4th of November, this verification ends on the 3rd of December. So I got just under a month, need another 4.5%. But yeah, just going to play it as it comes. If I need to up my risk as we go along, then I'll do that. But yeah, just going to play it cool still and see what happens. Sorry guys, I just realised as I was editing this video, I didn't update on Euro Pound. So Euro Pound actually took 30 pips. So I think entry was 95. So yeah, I went about 30 pips and then came back. I actually thought I had stop loss to break even because I put break even on my other accounts. Obviously I've got a few accounts, so. But yeah, I forgot to put stop loss on break even on this one by accident. So I took a little bit of a loss here. I went onto my phone and seen it was like minus 200, and I just closed it out because I was supposed to be out at break even. But yeah, I made a little bit of profit, 400 there and 100, so a little bit of profit. But just thought I'd update that. Alright guys, so still Thursday, 10 past 3 now. So I've just executed this trade on pound Swiss long. simple 38 fib. So from this low to this high, you've got the 38 fib. And if you take this 0.1, 0.2 and clone it, put it on this low here, you've got that for backup. So the bottom of the channel and the 38 fib. And you've got the round number, which is just below here. So my stop loss is 40 pips below all of this area here. And I'm just looking for a quick 40 pips really. Yeah, let's see what happens guys, and I'll update when I need to. Alright, so still the same day, 6:20 p.m. now. I've got another little update for you. So I was just on my phone chilling and I noticed that I got triggered into another trade on my phone, on my account. But I checked the FTMO accounts that I have and didn't get triggered into that. So I just looked at the chart and it's missed now on the FTMOs. I've got it running on mine still. So yeah, I didn't get triggered into the FTMOs on this one. I think that's like the 5th pending now I've missed on this verification. So I was up 2% yesterday. So if I got triggered into a couple that I didn't miss, probably would have passed it. But yeah, I can't really look at it like that, guys. Is what it is, isn't it? So still in this pound Swiss trade, running about 16 pips drawdown at the moment. But obviously volatility's died now because it's 6 p.m. So I don't really expect that much to happen now. But yeah, super unfortunate week so far, guys. Like I say, I'm only up 100 now. Was up 2k, missed quite a lot of trades, and got stopped out on GU earlier. But yeah, can't do much about it. Let's see what happens with pound Swiss and see if we get triggered into any other trades tomorrow or overnight. Morning, guys. So Friday, 9:53 a.m. Stopped out on pound Swiss overnight. Well, this morning. Yeah, went 15 pips profit and then just blew right through. It's getting close to my next buy now. So 61 fib, key level, trendline break retest. And also this pending GJ got pretty close. Entry is at 152.830. So come about a pip away and now it's moved off like 20 pips or so. So yeah, hopefully not another miss. If it misses, then that'll be the 6th miss this week. So pretty frustrating week, to be honest. So yeah, still got all my pendings set. Still got this GJ pending set. See if we get triggered into it or not. But if not much happens, then I'll update next week and we'll carry on this video next week. Alright, so 11:20 now. Ended up getting triggered into this trade, which I'll show you on my phone now. So really nice entry, literally to the pip. Thank God it's not another miss. Would have been the 6th miss this week. So yeah, running nicely. I'm going to close a bit of profit here and put stop loss to break even. 283. So I locked in some profit, guys, and covered my risk. So yeah, just going to let this run. Hopefully get another TP. So second TP will be 153.500. So about here. Yeah, so see what happens. Nice little sniper there. So I'll just show you the trade a second. There's a trendline break retest and a 61 fib 100 EMA as well, which we didn't quite hit the 61. So we're bouncing off the 100 EMA and the trendline break retest. Show the trendline. So 0.1, 0.2. Now retesting it, broke out retest. So yeah, see what happens, guys. I'm going to leave this running and see if we can TP2. Yo, what's up, guys? So fresh week, Monday, 4 o'clock. So settled my pendings last night, and I've just been triggered into my first trade now, well, about 30 minutes ago. So pound dollar short, 38 fib, key level, trendline break retest. So 0.1, 0.2 broke out, retesting it now with the 38 fib as well, from this high to this low, which comes in line with this nice key level here, as you can see. So a nice 38 fib, trendline retest and a key level. Entry is at 1.3565. So running about 10 pips drawdown so far, 50 pips stop loss on this. But yeah, that's it for Monday. Just going to keep an eye on GU and see what it does. And I'll update when we hit TP hopefully, or hit stop loss. Yo, what's up, guys? So Tuesday afternoon, 3 o'clock. No new trades so far, but I'm still in this pound dollar trade. Come pretty close to stop loss, to be honest. Stop loss was 1.3615, and we come up, yeah, about 8 pips away from stop loss. but running about 30 pips in profit now. Entry is at 1.3565, so looking to TP1 at 50 pips, so 1.3515, so another 20 pips or so, and then hopefully let some rest run. Hopefully we can get an extended TP2 down here or something. But yeah, let me just show you the phone. So this is the account here, guys. About 1% up so far, so still need another 4%. Got a few pendings pretty close. This one is like 50 pips away. So yeah, hopefully get some new trades soon. Show you my FTMO on here as well. So yeah, 1% guys. Like I say, I'm going to take TP1 at 50 pips and then let the rest run. And I'll update if we get any new trades. Yo, what's up guys? So nearly 10 AM on Wednesday. Closed TP1 on this GU trade not so long ago. You could see yesterday we come like 10 pips away from TP1. Then we moved back up to break even, move sideways. And then we spiked down a little bit this morning. So I took TP1 at 40 pips and now I've got stop loss to break even. So risk free on this trade. Got triggered into a gold short trade yesterday, last night about 9 p.m. So it was a fair touch trend line key level. So 0.1 up there, 0.1, 0.2. We're at the third touch, which is also a really good key level as well, as you can see here. So I've took TP1 on this as well guys, stop loss to break even, and trying to get runs on both. So I'll just show the FTMO again. So sitting about 2.7% profit so far. Not really got any other pendings that are close, so just going to try and ride these two out. But yeah, I'll update if we get any new trades, and yeah, speak to you then. Yo, what's up guys? So a few hours have gone by. I've closed out all of my positions now, sitting about just over 3% profit. I'll show the FTMO in a minute, so need another couple percent. So yeah, this verification's taken me longer than I expected, to be honest. I think my last verification I done it in like just over a week. I'll show you that one as well in a minute. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this video here and hopefully pass it in the next episode. But let me just show the FTMO. So this is the current verification that I'm doing. So just over 3% there. So let me show you my last verification as well. So a couple of losses at the start. Started on the 15th of June, finished on the 28th, so literally like 13 days. So I've done it a lot quicker than this one here, but yeah, hopefully we'll pass it in the next one, and yeah, appreciate you watching, let's see what happens.